Hello sir, my name is Kim Palo Rosero from grade 11 APM and this is my video presentation. The first letter of my last name is R. So my topic is all about web design. Web design is also known as web graphic design. Web design encompasses many different skills and disciplines in the production and maintenance of website. The different areas of web design include web graphic design, user interface design, authoring including standardized code and proprietary software, user experience design, and search engine optimization. Ang web design po ay encompasses sa maraming iba't ibang mga kasanayan at disiplina sa paggawa at pagpapanatili ng mga website. Kasama sa iba't ibang bahagi ng disenyo ng web design ay ang web graphic design, user interface design, authoring disenyo ng karanasan ng gumagamit at pag-optimize ng search engine. Backgrounds and history of web design. Who invented the web design? Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. Sir Tim Berners-Lee is a British computer scientist. He was born in London and his parent was early computer scientist, working on one of the earliest computers. Ang nag-invento daw po ng web design ay si Tim Berners-Lee noong 1989. When was the first web design created? The late 80s, the dark ages of design. The concept of the World Wide Web is believed to date back as far as 1946. When it was first described in a short story by Murray Leinster. However, its official invention is credited to scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Ang kauna-unahan pong web design ay ginawa noong 1989 or late of 80s nung the dark ages of design pa. How did web design start? In 1989, released working at CERN, Tim Berners-Lee proposed to create a global hypertext project which later became known as the World Wide Web. During 1991 to 1993, the World Wide Web was born. Ang web design po ay nagsimula noong nag-propose si Tim Berners-Lee para makagawa ng isang global hypertext project. The inventors of web design is Timothy John Berners-Lee, also known as Tim BL. Tim Berners-Lee is an English computer scientist best known as the inventor of the World Wide Web. He is a professional fellow of computer science at the University of Oxford and professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Si Timothy John Berners-Lee po ay kilala bilang Tim BL. Siya po ay isang English computer scientist at kilala bilang inventor ng World Wide Web. Siya po ay isang professional fellow of computer science sa University of Oxford. At isa rin po siyang professor sa Massachusetts Institute of Technology. One of the inventors is Robert Kalilau. Robert Kalilau is a Belgian informatics engineer, computer scientist, and author who proposed the first hypertext system for CERN in 1987 and collaborated with Tim Berners-Lee on the World Wide Web from before it got its name. Si Robert po ay isang Belgian informatics engineer, computer scientist at isa po siyang author na nagpropose ng kauna-unahang hypertext system for CERN noong 1987. At siya po ay nakipag-collaborated with Tim Berners-Lee sa World Wide Web from before it got its name.
Yay!
Example of responsive web design: CCS Tricks, Smashing Magazine, and so on. Nandun na po nakalagay dun sa aking PowerPoint. Meron din pong advantages and disadvantages ang web design. Advantages of a responsive website design. First, give your website a higher ranking. Number 2, brings a great experience for the user. Number 3, generate profits and more sales. Number 4, tracking users become easy. And number 5 is saves money. But a responsive website design also have disadvantages. Number 1 is navigation becomes tough. Number 2, takes longer time. Number 3, gives bad user experience. Number 4, consumes a lot of time in development. Number 5 is an old browser does not meet the BINIAC queries requirements. Meron rin pong principles ang isang good web design. Ang una po ay website purpose. Your website needs to accommodate the needs of the user. Number 2 is simplicity. Simplicity is the best way to go when considering the user experience and the usability of your website. Number 3 is the navigation. Navigation is the wayfinding system used on websites where visitors interact and find what they are looking for. Number 4 is F-shaped pattern reading. The F-based pattern is the most common way visitors scan text on a website. Number 5 is visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy is the arrangement of elements in order of importance. This is done either by size, color, imagery, contrast, typography, white space, texture, and style. Number 6 is the content. An effective website has both great design and great content. Ang isa pong effective na website ay dapat parehas na maganda ang design at great din ang kanyang content. Number 7 is the load time. Waiting for a website to load will lose visitors. Number 8 is mobile friendly. More people are using their phones or other devices to browse the web. Ang mga tao daw po ay gumagamit ng cellphone or iba't ibang device para makapag-browse ng web. Grid. And the last is the grid-based layout. Grids help to structure your design and keep your content organized. Ang grids daw po ay tumutulong sa pag-structure ng design at siya po ay nagki-keep ng ating content na na-organize mo natin. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Thank you po.